Hi, and welcome to the content blocks of Module 4. This week we're talking all about assessment and feedback. Now, if you have a background in education, teaching at the elementary, high school, or even undergrad level, you've probably written a lot of tests. You've probably written a lot of multiple choice tests, and there's a lot to recommend them. Students like them, they're easy to grade on the computer, and they do a fairly good job of assessing very specific knowledge. But they only work when there's a right and a wrong answer. And when we're teaching graduate level education classes, there isn't always a right and a wrong answer. So a better way to assess our students' knowledge often comes from project-based learning. By looking at the things they create that they're actually going to use with students, we'll have a better idea of whether or not they really understand the concepts we were hoping they would get from our courses. Keep in mind, variety is the key. We want to offer a lot of different ways for students to demonstrate their knowledge. So discussion boards is one way. Projects like wiki projects is another way. Essays is another way. Actual products that they're going to use with students, videos, things like that, presentations, PowerPoints, prezzies, you name it. A lot of variety gives students a lot of choice and a lot of opportunity to find the innovative and creative way that's best representing their learning. So keep that in mind. But the other part of that that's pretty important is feedback. We need to offer timely and effective feedback, and we're going to talk about both of those issues in a lot more depth in these content blocks. But remember, feedback is no longer just a way to let students know how they're doing currently. It's a way to inspire where they need to go next. So with that in mind, let's get started.